Hello and welcome back to the Green Workbench. Today we're going to unbox and test a Depstech Endoscope. So there's the box, and got it off of Amazon. So industrial inspection camera from China. Here's the contents of the box. So we have our Wi-Fi endoscope here. Camera on the end. Charging cable. Looks like another cable, and then I think that's a light. We'll look it up. And the instruction manual. So it's got the Wi-Fi LED, power LED on and off, and the brightness controller, the LED. And then you have to download the app on your phone and connect to its Wi-Fi in order for it to work. So I'm going to get it put together and we'll test it out. So this piece, I was wrong, it's actually a magnet hook and mirror. So we'll test those as well. Okay, so I charged the device using the mini USB input here and the provided cable. So now I'm going to turn it on, and you can see the light for the camera actually came on, but let's go through setting it up first. So once it's turned on, then you have to connect your phone to its Wi-Fi signal. And that's Jettian FB. I'll show you once we've connected. Let's see if it'll focus in there. Okay, so now we're connected. Now we're going to go to the app, which you can download in the App Store, called Wi-Fi View. Okay, and it's working. See that. And I need to do some dusting apparently. And then within the app there's some settings. I found it just started working just fine, but you can change the resolution. You can set your record duration. Camera parameters, if you don't like the picture you're getting. You can reboot it, set up the Wi-Fi if you want to change it. So it was pretty easy, and it's just working. So now we want to get back to the main screen, so we can take a picture and add it to our photos, or we can start recording, and you see the recordings are saved in the app as well. So very easy. Now let's look at the different attachments and see how they work. Alright, so I've unscrewed the cap on the end, and this is the mirror attachment. Alright, let's turn it back on. So now we have to reconnect with the Wi-Fi signal since we've turned it off and on. So do that. Back to the app. And now, even though my camera is facing that way with the mirror, I'm able to look up into this lamp. So that works just as expected. Take that attachment off. Alright, so this is one attachment, magnet, that works very well. So it's being held into place. And note that you can change the LED brightness with in here. So the next attachment is the mirror, and to get to this thread there was just a little cap on it that you just take off. So you can see that the mirror works great. Show me up into the lamp. And the third attachment is just a simple hook. Going like that. So with the hook and the magnet, obviously you're blocking some of the view of your camera. I'll show you the view with the hook. But if you need that camera to stay in place somewhere, it could be valuable. And then we can put the regular one back on. Alright, so everything works really well. It's very easy to install. It's a pretty decent picture. And this is under the 640 by 480 setting. So you can go up to 1024 by 768. So you can go in here while we're connected and enter your own Wi-Fi SSID and password. So you're not using the included one. The included one is not secure. The password is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you probably want to change that, although this is not necessarily something that people are looking to hack into either. So I don't know how big of a concern it would be to you, but that option is there. So I'm going to just talk a little bit about the wire here. Obviously it comes all wound up, but as you can see it's easily shaped. Which is great because I need to use it to look up into some walls. So that is perfect. One last thing, the Wi-Fi unit here does get a little bit warm, as does the light in the camera. Of course, with that LED shining, it's going to get warm, and that's okay. It even mentions it in the instructions. And you can have these little indicator lights showing the Wi-Fi is on and that it's connected and everything. So not a bad little unit for the price. You know, you can't really beat it for around $40. Great picture, and it's going to really help me out. Hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know what you think, or let me know if you have any questions or anything you want me to try out. It is water resistant up to 1 meter. I don't know that I would ever plan on testing that, but for a $40 device, even if you test it and there's an issue, it wasn't that expensive to start with. So thank you for watching, and tune into my other videos on the Green Workbench. Also check out my Facebook page, the Green Workbench, where I have been documenting some remodeling that we've been doing to our house. I will see you next time on the Green Workbench. Thanks for watching.